Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over how to count the number of characters in a cell in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of the video, we are going to show you how to get this character count right here for the total number of characters in cell A2. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So there are several string functions in Microsoft Excel. And when I say string function, I mean ways that you can get information from a string of text inside of a single cell. And today, what we would like to use is the length function, and that is spelled L-E-N. So if I go into B2 right here and I type equals L-E-N with a left parenthesis, I will be prompted for text. Now I could just write hi in here, and the length function would return a value of 2 because hi has two letters, H and I. So I'm going to do that in double quotes right now. I'm just going to put hi and hit enter. And you can see I am getting the 2. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. But let's replace the hi here with the value of an actual cell. So I'm going to click right here on A2, and then I'm going to hit enter. And I'm being returned with 43 because there are 43 characters, including the spaces and the period at the end, in cell A2. We have a couple other methods for going about counting characters in a cell in Microsoft Excel. And I'm going to include a link to our blog entry on that in the description below on YouTube. So if you'd like to click there and learn more, please do so. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.